Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn Amadeus Ticket Changer Reissue for unused ticket with no additional collection. Amadeus Ticket Changer Reissue automatically processes complex voluntary exchanges in seconds, save time and eliminate errors, get fast accurate results, reduce debit memos, great for publish or contract fares that can be priced automatically. It seamlessly handles all information and transaction to process voluntary ticket exchanges and also format ticket for reporting. Amadeus Ticket Changer Reissue determines appropriate fare, tax, change penalty, and redemption value or refund value for your new ticket. Results are based on original ticket issuance using fare filing in ATP Co Category 31 and local market and airline standards. The results are displayed first so you can clearly see what new ticket will cost. The booking is then updated with fare and ticketing elements to issue new ticket. In our example, after issue ticket, passenger has change in plan, would like to change outbound journey from Doha to London on 15th September and inbound journey from London to Doha on 30th September. Before change the reservation in existing PNR or create a new PNR, it is recommended to check the coupon status first. To display e-ticket record, use TWD transaction /L line indicator +7 FL line number from PNR for original issue ticket. Enter. Here both coupon status is O, open. Update required date of travel in a same PNR or create a new PNR. New itinerary has been updated and system automatically deleted transaction stored ticket record from PNR. Otherwise need to delete it. To automatically recalculate fare and taxes for new booked itinerary, use FXQ ATC confirm pricing transaction /T ticket indicator +7 FL line number of PNR for original issue ticket. Enter. As per ATC recalculation, new itinerary base fare and old base fare is same and no difference in fare. Old taxes and new taxes are remain same and no difference in taxed amount for new itinerary. So no ticket difference for base fare and taxes amount, so no penalty charges apply for reservation change for outbound and inbound journeys. So no additional collection for new booked itinerary. Save changes for further action. Automated transaction store ticket record created for new itinerary. FO original issued element added in a PNR on line number 10 of PNR. Form of payment has changed to old form of payment on line 11 of PNR. As per the calculation, no additional collection, so no need to update new form of payment for exchange. It is recommended to exchange ticket for new itinerary for display original ticket from PNR. Use TWD transaction /L line indicator +7 FL line number from PNR. Enter. Original issue ticket displayed on your screen. To issue, use TTP ticket issue transaction /T transaction store ticket record indicator +2 TST record number 2. Enter. OK e-ticket message. Retrieve PNR. Here FA on line number 7 of PNR for new issue ticket. To display e-ticket record, use TWD transaction /L line indicator +7 FA line number from PNR. Enter. Here is totally showing no ADC, so no additional collection. To display original issue document which we use to reissue, use TWD transaction /O +* original issue document indicator. Enter. Here coupon status for original issue e-ticket is E, is exchange. And that's it. You have just learned Amadeus Ticket Changer Reissue for unused ticket for no additional collection. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.